God, he's still kicking. Oh, it's been a minute. Knock on some wood. Alright guys, it is Monday and Joe is back today. So let's take a look, see what he's got. Let's do it.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
So, had a wedding 1 week in Wisconsin, come back. I don't know what happened after that, but well, my daughter came down last Friday, Friday morning, 5:30 a.m. she come in.
Wow.
She likes driving nighttime,
Yeah.
and it is a lot easier.
Oh, yeah.
And she pulls in at 5:30. She's ready for a nap. My grandson, he's ready to play. So I was up. we commenced to doing some playing.
That's good.
We had a heck of a great time, and they left Tuesday morning like 2 a.m. and so
wow.
every minute they were down, I was down.
There you
know,
go.
I was down for it all. But
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I got me like one of the world's greatest two stackers helpers right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
He got new blue glasses, and he come in here, he's helping a little bit. He saw that blue hat, put it on. I was pretty sure. I was thinking, yep, I'm pretty sure that's falling off my truck.
Yep, that's right. We didn't know. I was like, man, I don't know. His truck may have quit. You know, and your second vehicle's a
Not
Dodge,
yet.
So.
Well, I got a Ram, yeah, I do.
I
I'd
was
be
a little
here.
worried you'd be on foot.
I'd be running.
Be up here on a bicycle.
But we're gonna hit the bucket of cash.
All right.
As a matter of fact, it's been a while, see. So I got two for Mr. Robert Bolander.
All right.
Two different, and then I guess I missed one or something. But so anyways, one of my good customers, I won't mention any names, but Andrew Burcham out of Corinth, he tells me all the time, yeah, when you want to go looking for shark teeth, because you know the one time we went looking, couldn't find any. So I called him. I says, look, you know, I know it rained like Thursday.
Yeah.
It's weekend. He says, yeah, sure, we'll go down there. We get there. Not 5 minutes after we're panning for shark teeth, he kind of sheepishly hands me one without saying anything. It's like, yeah, we can find shark's teeth here. So I go over by my daughter, and I look at what she's doing. I go, no, I says, right away, you got to throw out these big rocks, you know, pan out some of the sand, throw out the bigger ones, pan in. As I did that, I kind of snuck that shark's tooth in there and look around. I go, oh, look, Rachel, you got the first one here. And him and his wife gave my grandson like 7 of them. So,
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, it was very cool.
Awesome.
So thank you, Mr. Andrew, not to mention your name, but I think that was 3 times.
That's
But yeah,
cool.
we had a great time.
There you go.
So
AC season.
I've never showed a vacuum pump before, but ATD has a 1.8 CFM.
Yep.
A lot of the big machines carry them that are like 1.5. They just had those on sale. I got a few of them in.
Nice.
They've been pretty good. And of course, you know, you should at least come up with some manifold gauges for people. So I got those in.
That's the good ones. Is it the brass ones in
Yep.
there? Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yep. And so one guy ordered these, and then he says, oh, I need the ones for YF24. He says, I'll take them if I need to. No, you don't need to do that. I'll get you those. Somebody will take these.
Yeah.
I said, that's always an easy thing.
Absolutely, especially right now. It don't take you 5 minutes to go without AC today, and you're like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go to that shop.
Mine's. I went and drove all the way around town before I pulled up here, so it would cool off here. Mine's working when I'm driving, but when I'm parked, it's not working. So.
It's just hot, man. It's 100
hot,
degrees.
No,
it's
mine usually runs better.
Yeah.
So we're on the schedule for that.
Night vision binoculars.
We got these very cool Firefield, which is St. Mark brand.
Yep.
And what's nice with them is if you have a helmet or hard hat that will take headgear, you get the headgear to attach it to it so you can flip it up and down.
Right.
If not, it gives you soft headgear.
Okay.
So you don't have to wear hot helmet on hot nights,
Right.
but you got soft headgear. It's just, you know, a little band in that, and you can flip this up and down, and it makes it pretty nice for night vision. And
That's cool.
you can see, like, it's pretty close to 200 yards with these. And they don't cost, you know, like $250.
Nice.
So that's hard to beat.
Absolutely.
It's very hard to beat.
Those are decently looking. Was it rubberized? Yeah.
Yeah, rubber armored. They're made tough too.
That's nice.
We were in one shop and we were able to go in the back room and turn off all the lights and go in the back there. And we were, you know, just looking to see how good they looked. You know, guys wanted to see. I know how it looked. And other guys in the office, they thought that this here was a flashlight of some sort that we were flashing around. Now, we couldn't see it, but the camera could pick up
for the infrared light.
The infrared light on here, which was pretty cool. It's like, okay, you know, you learn something new every day when you play with toys.
Yep, that's true.
And so I got these here.
Yep.
And then something else have new. I know I pulled it out here. Yep, right there. We'll just switch this around. St. Mark has a new, they call it G-Shot. So it's for Glocks. So if you got a Glock, a Gen 3, a 4, a 5, a G17, G19 that doesn't have a cutout for a reflex sight, this here is something that St. Mark has that you can put a reflex sight on.
Nice.
Now it fits over the top. There's another plate that hooks underneath here and 2 screws that locks on, and then you got your original front sight sticks up right here.
Right.
And it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. That's pretty sharp right there.
Let's see if I can set that up there.
That's pretty cool how the technology's got to the point where
You know,
you can have
you got
stuff like
something that
now.
don't work, and you know, there's a million.
Figure out a way to make it happen.
There's a million of these out there that, you know, people go, you know, it costs, I don't know what it costs, $300-500 to get a slide re-machined, or you buy a new slide, same price, and then you put one of these on. You just put one of these on for half that price.
And go on about your business.
And you know, you take care of business. That's very cool.
Yep.
So when they came out with these, I ordered a quick half dozen, and I got another order in already.
Guys, he's got all kind of fun stuff up here for the automatic hole punchers. Just really good stuff. Lots of good stuff. I think it's cool too, because you can buy tools.
If you got a crossbow, I got crossbow scopes.
That's pretty cool. Subcompact green lasers.
Yep, rechargeable.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, we got all kinds of toys. Toys are good.
For sure.
You got a light, laser, or laser, light, pressure switch, reflex sight that has a sunshade or rain shade.
That's really cool.
Works with night vision settings. I got night vision, see? And then the magnifier.
There you go, boys. You can get everything you need.
And reels.
That's it.
So.
Really cool. Really cool.
Well, guys, I hope you all have a great week ahead. It's great being here. I miss you all too, so I'm just going to say it, plain and simple.
That's it. All right, guys, if you need anything from Joe, his number's right down here, 731-412-7295. See, I won a couple of weeks without saying it. I missed the number.
Yep, I thought you were just checking me. I'll see if I knew it.
All right, guys, hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm, and it's free. It's free. Just hit it. Go over here for merchandise, tool tools, and discounts in the description. If you're not subscribed, it's even
hit that
easier.
button.
Just press that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.